Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage. What's going on today? Well, we got something special come in. Eddie's already checking it out really good for me. We got a special delivery from Mr. Roger. Izzy, as what he goes by on here. I'll tell you what, no other guy works harder than him for some subs. Go out there and give him some subs and let's see what he's got here for me. I'll throw a link to his channel there. Down in the bottom of the description there. Go there and give him a check. See what he's got going on there. He goes by the Angry Vagrant. And that's why we're doing this on the Dart. I don't have a Valiant, so we'll go with this, right? She'll work. What's in there, Eddie? See, I got an Edelbrock already looking in there. What's he going to see in there? Oh, would you look at there? The Angry Vagrant. Yeah. All right, Izzy. Thank you. And what else we got here? Oh, look at this. It even matches. Well, how about that? How'd you know it's going to be blue? Light blue. Just like that Dart right there. What do you think, Eddie? So make sure you check out Roger over at Izzy is the name of his channel. I'll put it down here. And you know what? I got a special place for this. You might not be represented on the Mercury or the Fairlane in there, but how about this, Izzy? I'm gonna let you be the very first one to be on this here Dart, and because she's going to the No Name Nationals too, just not this year, but it's coming, and it's going to see you there. And Izzy, you're a part of this build now. Thank you very much, man. And stay tuned. I'm gonna incorporate this into the build, because that is just too doggone cool, man. So everybody go out there and check out Izzy. And in the meantime, see how he gets out there and gets that metal hot. We'll catch you on the next one. Where are we gonna put it, Eddie? Right there? No, over there? Yeah, he's a little picky on where he wants it, but he'll find a good spot. We'll see you on the next one.